welcome back to my channel. My name is Candace, formerly known as Diamond Candy TV if you are new here. And if you are a returning loyal subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. You are a real one. In today's video, I'm not entirely sure what I'm going for, but I know I want some sort of braided or twisted ponytail. So y'all probably will know what the final result is by the title, but I'm kind of just going in a little bit blind here. But I kind of want to get my hair out of the way. I just been like laying on it all day every day because we're in quarantine, and I just want to do something with it and also give you guys some quality content. So without further ado, let's get started. So of course my hair is already washed and conditioned, so I'm going to take it from under this t-shirt. This is my favorite way to dry my hair. I have it in two like flat twists. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is moisturize my hair. If you guys have ever seen a video of me laying my hair down into a ponytail, then you would know that I like to use a lot of like leave-in conditioner before I go in with my gel. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Today I'm gonna be using the TGIN Miracle Repair X Curl Food with black honey coconut oil. With black honey and coconut oil. So I'm just gonna take a big glob of that and slap that in my hair and brush it through. The ponytail is gonna be back and kind of in the middle of my head, so I'm just gonna start brushing my hair in that direction with my dimming brush just to get the slicking process started. You want to make sure that your hair is very detangled. Don't try and just brush on the top of your head when you're slicking it. You have to get in the inside and make sure all those tangles are out so your hair can lay super flat. Now that that is done, I'm going to go in with my gel, and I use the Eco Styler olive oil gel. You can use whatever gel you want, whatever gel works best for you, but this is just what I have on hand. So now my hair is pretty much slick, so in order to put my hair in a ponytail when I do styles like this, I always use a headband and not just a regular hair tie, because this allows you to get it much tighter. So I wrap it around my wrist twice, and this is just going to be like the first ponytail just to kind of guide it. I usually kind of take it out and do it over multiple times to get it slicker and slicker, but just brush it where you want it to go, and then start to gather it. And my hair is getting a little stiff, so I'm just gonna add some more water. So cute with these little buns. I feel like a little kid. But now that the bun is done, I'm actually going to tie my hair down with a scarf for a little bit, just because while I do the ponytail, I don't want this to start, you know, flying away and like drying all crazy. So I want to kind of lay it first for at least a little while, come back, take it off, and then put the ponytail on. So I will be right back. Alright y'all, so it's been about 20 minutes. I'm going to go get me a little snack. So my hair should be pretty laid. Yes, indeed. This is really good. Okay. Now that the hair is laid, now I'm going to figure out what I want to do as my ponytail. I ended up getting this FreeTress. braiding hair. It's Presto Curl 26 inches. And this is what the hair looks like in the package. And I got this hair because I wanted something to be like flowy. I wanted it to be like curly. I didn't want it to be like the stiff cankaline hair that you know, people usually use when they do ponytails and braids and stuff like that. So I don't know if I'm gonna do a twist or if I'm gonna do a braid, but we're gonna take this hair out of the package. I bought 4 packs, which was a little OD, I know, but I just didn't want to have to go back outside. You know, it's crazy out here. You're not really supposed to be leaving the house like that. But I have my mask on and everything. But I think I'm going to put 2 of these packs together and then see what the thickness is looking like and then go from there. Alright, so I ended up combining 3 packs of the hair. This is crochet hair, by the way, so each curl is like kind of individual. This should be interesting. Just gonna keep pulling and tugging at the hairs just to get some layering going on. Okay, so now for attaching it to my bun, I have a fresh hair tie, and I'm just gonna do this old trick where you kind of loop-de-loop it. It's hard to explain, but you just make a little knot with the hair tie, so then you have like this little hoop to tie onto your hair. So I'm gonna take this and put it on my bun like so, like that, and flip her. This is gonna be interesting because my hair at the end is way like a totally different color than the ponytail is. Come on. Okay, anyways, so this is on there. So now I'm just gonna kind of like brush the hair out a little bit. This might be too much hair though. Alright, now I'm about to try and braid this bad boy. I think it's brushed out enough, so I'm just gonna braid it and then try and flip it this way to cover le bun.
Rock it now, baby. Rock it, baby, baby. Rock it, baby, baby. Oh, girl. Rock it, baby. Rock it. I move it, baby. Rock it. I rock it, don't lose it. I lose it, not rock it. I rock it now, baby. Rock it, baby, baby. Rock it, baby, baby. Oh, girl.
Stressed a little bit. So this is what the braid is looking like. I actually ended up putting my ponytail lower just because once I finish the braid, just the way that it looks, I feel like it will go better with a lower ponytail. So that's where we're at right now. So now I just have to attach it, and what I'm gonna do is just kind of like spread the braid. Now this is supposed to be like a messy goddess kind of braid. To attach it, I'm gonna flip it around and then spread the top and kind of just slide my bun inside of the hair. Okay, so the ponytail is finally on. That stressed me out. Now it's time to lay these edges, my favorite part. As you guys should know already if you watch my channel, I use the She Is Bomb collection fast drying edge control, and I find that this product works better when my hair is dry, so that's why I saved this as my last step. Let my hair dry a little bit and then go in with this. Alright guys, my hair is officially done and this is the final result. It gave me a little bit of hell, like this part right here. I had to like spray some Got To Be spray around this area to make sure that my bun is covered, because my bun color is completely different from this ponytail hair. So it was giving me a little bit of a hard time, but overall I feel like it's really cute. It's very like carefree, effortless, curly, messy, bohemian if you will. And yeah, I'm overall really messing with it. So If you guys like this style, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.